Welcome to JH. Meet the Cellsius Orthopedic Knee Pillow, a piece of foam that allegedly provides ergonomic support while curing every ailment known to man, from sciatica to that weird twinge in your ankle. It promises a natural, pain-free sleep, which sounds lovely if you're the type of person who still believes in the tooth fairy. But before you open your wallet, let's see if this thing is actually legit or just another nightmare in disguise. Cellsius boasts over 80,000 satisfied customers on their own website. But let's be real, cherry-picking reviews is an Olympic sport for companies like this. When you venture out to the lawless lands of Facebook, the story changes drastically. We found a mountain of complaints regarding undelivered orders, ghosted customer service, and misleading promotions. Apparently, the pillow is so premium that if you want to return it, you have to pay the shipping costs yourself. Truly the gift that keeps on taking. The red flags keep waving as they claim the pillow is endorsed by doctors, osteopaths, and probably the local shaman. However, when we looked for actual names or verified proof, we found absolutely nothing. It's almost as if these medical professionals exist in the same dimension as my imaginary workout routine. To make matters worse, they claim this foam wedge can replace actual medication and physiotherapy. Because why listen to a specialist with a degree when you can just shove a cushion between your legs? That's not just bold, it's bordering on a fairy tale. To pressure you into buying, they use every cliché sales tactic in the book, from limited stock, warnings to throwing in a free ebook. Because nothing screams medical breakthrough like a free PDF and a desperate countdown timer. If you do run into trouble, your only lifeline is an email address. No phone number, no live chat. Just a digital black hole where your complaints go to die. So, is the Cellsius Orthopedic Knee Pillow legit? Between the exaggerated medical claims, the lack of professional proof, and the aggressive by now vibes, it raises more flags than a parade. If you're actually looking for orthopedic support, my advice is to skip this one and talk to a real human doctor. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.